They are doing it on their own. At some stage, I will talk to them to stop dividing our people. I will talk to them, but I've not sent anybody.
My name is Sarah Awor Angweri, female workers representative for Lira City, also contesting as woman member of parliament for Lira City 2026-2031. I really want to appeal to the party leaders of National Resistance Movement, where I belong, to really put strategies on how to counteract the opponent coming from UPC. Other than crying left, right, center, stop so and so from coming to contest, stop so and so from coming to contest. Democracy allows anybody to come and contest. And also the president, I don't know, which law will you quote to Ugandans that will stop people from coming to contest in Lira City? If anything, president has ever contested with very many candidates. Like I remember in the last election, there were about 12. So I don't know why he did not use his prerogative as the president of the republic to stop people from contesting with him. But now we're seeing it happening in Lira City. I saw General Tafire coming here to ask Lao to sit down our two daughters. They are our daughters, and we don't need anybody's advice because we can handle this thing as Lao. And then it is now the wananchi to decide because power belongs to the citizen. So nobody will say, don't stop so and so from contesting. Even the president, I heard you in your presidential tour in Lira, in Lango, you said you are going to put down your two ministers. Which law will you quote? Because it is their it is their right, it is a constitutional right. So nobody is stopping anybody from contesting in Lira City. In fact, I still want to call upon more candidates. Don't be intimidated because we need democracy and we need equality in Lira City. And nobody should think is dominating because we are all there. And for me, I will contest, come rain, come shine, I'm there. And I think I'm the competent candidate to harmonize Lango. If people have failed to harmonize, then I will be a solution to the two fighting ministers. And we shall, I know the president will still appoint them because by voting one, it means we shall still continue with the divisionism. So when we put the two of them aside and brings a clear-headed person, that means Lango will now be at peace. Because I saw president say, stop dividing our people. There we shall have gotten a solution to divisionism in Lao. Thank you.
So, to you, the conflict between the two ministers, Minister of Earth, Jane Ruth Acheng, and Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Betty Amongi, the conflict between them is an advantage to you.
Exactly. Where people are fighting, there is always opportunity. So, when you see two fighting bulls, there must be opportunity for another one to slip through. So I think this is the best opportunity for me to get to parliament, and I put down the two of them so that they can harmonize themselves because they are our sisters. We don't need those fights, and we don't know why they are fighting, and we don't know why where the fights was generated from. Either they are fighting to be near the president, or they are fighting for their own benefit, not for the wananchi. Because what the wananchi needs is service delivery, not divisionism, not fighting. You know, when people fight, they forget about what their roles are. So, in a fighting environment, nothing can be achieved. You don't know how much we have lost as a community of Lira City because of the fights that we have between the two ministers. And also, finally, I don't know who told the community of Lango that we have ring fence gender, labor, and social development to Lao, and then health. Because what I know, the appointment serves only for 5 years. After 5 years, Parliament will be dissolved. Even the government itself will not be there, apart from the president who will still be there to steer the government. So maybe somebody else can be a minister. And in this case, we shall have a different department coming to Lao. Maybe Minister of Works will come to Lao. We have very many engineers in Lao who can really steer in that department. So this mentality of saying we shall lose who or we shall lose so and so, no, it doesn't count, because anybody can be a minister. even from in any department, in any field. So we should stop ring fencing this, that we are going to lose the Minister of Health, we're going to lose the Minister of Gender. No, we can still have more other than those two. So for me, I still insist that we should really open up and think aloud, not just zeroing to two people. For us, in fact, the president, we need more ministers in Lao. If the two are fighting, we can still have others coming in to be the ministers, and they will harmonize Lao. Even me, I can be a minister because I studied IT. So this time, I think the Minister of Communication, information, I'll probably replace Chris Bermuzi in the government, and I will perform very well. So there is nothing like, no, we need that. We need a change, a complete change in Lao, and we don't need fighting.